Hello, come in, Breaker Burger. Got your little 4-pill fixed. 4-pill base, 400 high drive, biased. Look at her straight through SWR like we always do. Going straight through that, worldwide, 0. We do that just to make sure the relay and everything's good, going straight through. There's your wattage going straight through. Hello, audio worldwide. Alright. Turn the box on. Well, let's plug it in the wall first. That would help. Plug it in. Turn it on. Input SWR. Worldwide, almost done. Radio drive. 4-pill. Worldwide. We're kicking a little driver. I've got it set on about 200 watts. Look at our bird to start with. 2500 watt PP. 200 watt drive. Worldwide. Showing 1000 pp. Go over your LP. Worldwide. Get on down. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Real close to the same. There she is. Straight 4-pill. All good to go. Repaired. Thanks for watching, buddy. Catch you later. Your friend 10, 01 A Boost. Bye bye.